Good morning, Toddler One. This week we're going to talk about all the different animals that we see outside in the springtime. Remember last week we talked about the weather in the spring and that it gets warmer outside? So now all these animals that were too cold in the winter can come out. Let's see, what are some different animals that you might see outside? Remember last week when I took my spring walk? What could I hear with my ears? I heard some birds going tweet, 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 tweet. We see birds outside. What can you tell me about birds? What do you know about them? Birds have wings. They use their wings to fly, almost like an airplane, right? And what else? Birds don't have skin like you and me, but they have feathers on their body. The feathers are soft and they can be many different colors. And let's see, do birds live in a house or an apartment building like you and I? Nope. Do you know what kind of a home birds have? Birds build their homes in the trees. Since they can fly, they can go up into a tree, and they use all the things that they can find all around to build a nest. This is a bird's nest. Birds can use things called twigs. Twigs are little branches like these, and they create a home for themselves, a little nest that they can go inside of and sit. Now, we're going to make an arts and crafts project of a bird's nest. Are you guys ready? Can you help me and do it with me? Let's do it. Okay guys, let's make a bird's nest together. I'm gonna tell you the things that you need. From construction paper, cut one big circle, whatever colors you want. And you will need 4 smaller circles, okay? So 1 big circle and 4 small circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you will need some yarn cut up into little pieces. And you will need some feathers for the birds. I have 4 feathers. And you will need 4 eyes and 2 small triangles and a glue stick. Okay, so first you have a big circle, but we're gonna make our nest out of a semicircle. A semicircle is half of a circle. So I'm going to take my big circle, I'm going to bend it in half, and I have a semicircle. Okay, now I'm gonna, so you can see it, I will tape it over here. Okay, so first, this is our nest. We're gonna glue on some of our yarn. Our yarn is like the small twigs, the sticks that the birds use to make their nest. So take your glue stick, put glue all over your semicircle, okay? And then glue on your twigs however you would like. Now let's put another piece of tape so it stays down. Okay. You can put on as many twigs, yarn as you would like. And they can be any size because twigs can be small, they can be bigger, doesn't matter. Okay. Okay, there are my twigs. You see them? Now I'm gonna put my birds into the nest. each of my birds is gonna be two circles, the body and the head. So I'm going to glue them together like that, the body and the head. And then I'm going to put glue on the back of the body. And I'm going to glue my bird to my nest so that my bird is sitting in my nest. I'm going to do it with my second bird too. We're gonna have two birds in our nest. Two birdies. There's the body. And there is the head. But wait a second, our birds need some eyes. I'm gonna use our eyes and put them on the head. Whoops. And my other birdie needs some eyes. And what else do our birds need? Birds have a mouth that's called a beak. That's my little triangles. My little triangles are gonna be the beaks. So I'm gonna put the beak right under the eyes, like that. One beak for each bird. Okay, and what did we say our birds use to fly? They have wings, and on their wings are feathers. So I'm going to give my birdies some feathers. Put glue again. That's for one of my birds. And then I'm gonna give my other bird yellow feathers. Birds can have colorful feathers, so you can make them any color you would like. Look at that. Now I have two birds in a bird's nest. Have fun and send me some pictures of your birds and your birds' nests, okay? See you guys tomorrow.